Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. If you are receiving the message this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam, it means that WhatsApp has detected behavior on your account that is consistent with spamming or violating their terms of service. Here is what you can do. Wait for the ban to be lifted. In some cases, WhatsApp may impose a temporary ban as a result of suspicious activity. Wait for some time and the ban may be automatically lifted. After that, contact WhatsApp support. For that, open a WhatsApp app on your device. After that, tap on three vertical dot at the top right corner and tap on setting. Scroll down and tap on help. After that, tap on contact us. Provide your details and describe the issue and tap on next. After that, check and adjust your activity. Reflect on your recent activity. Are you sending a large number of messages to people who are not in your contacts? Are you forwarding a lot of messages quickly? Avoid behaviors that could be interpreted as spam. Verify your number. If promoted, verify your phone number with a verification code sent via SMS or call. Uninstall suspicious apps. Sometimes third-party apps may interface with WhatsApp functionality. Uninstall any apps that might be causing conflicts. Avoid using unofficial WhatsApp version and review WhatsApp policies. That's it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.